Hello everyone, in this session we will see layout, plot and publish. How to set layout, how to plot and how to publish. Okay. Here we can see e-transmit. An AutoCAD drawing may contain lots of external data in the form of X-reference, font styles, images, Excel tables, textures, materials for 3D drawings and other components. Once you have finished working on a project, you need to ensure that you transmit all of these external files to make it easy for end user to work on the project without searching for the missing components. But selecting external files manually is a time consuming and error prone task. AutoCAD has a tool called eTransmit which makes this task very fast and easy. It creates a package of all drawing dependent elements in the form of zip file or folders. To use eTransmit, make sure you have saved your drawing. After saving, click on application button on the top left of your AutoCAD window and click on publish, and then eTransmit option is shown in the image above. Create transmittal window will pop up with a review of all attachments in your drawings. If you want to view it in list view, you can switch to Files Table tab. In the tree view, you will find current drawings panel where all attachments will be visible. You can add multiple files in the eTransmit package by clicking the Add File button on the bottom of current drawings panel as shown in the image below. Below you will find Enter Notes panel where you can add notes to the package for the recipient. Once your e-transmittal file is created, a report will be generated and it will be transmitted as txt file along with complete package. You can view that report using View Report button on the bottom left of the window. Okay. Now we will see how to create layout in AutoCAD. Okay. Here we can see I have made a model in AutoCAD. We will set this in layout. Okay. From here add a layout. Layout 3 is added here. Right click on it and here you can see Page Setup Manager. Click on Page Setup Manager. Okay. If you want to create new layout, click on New. Give the name of Setup. I will give the name as 1. Okay. See here, Page Setup name 1. Here choose the name of plotter or printer. Drawing to PDF. You have to select drawing to PDF. Okay. Then you have to select the paper size. I will select this as ISO full bleed A4 size. Okay, then plot area. You can choose your window and select this window. Okay. Here you can see plot scale. If you want to scale, then here you change the scale, or if you want to fit to paper, click on fit to paper. Okay. Here you can change the plot style table. Which plot style do you want? You have to choose it. Okay. And here select landscape and click OK. Set current, close. Okay. If you want to come in model space, double click in model space. Okay, now our drawing is fitted in our layout. See here you can see if I am out of model space, drawing is not zooming. And now see, it's getting zoom in or zoom out. For this, you have to lock this drawing. Click on lock and click on window, press enter. Okay, now you can see only sheet is zoomed out or zoomed in. Drawing is remaining locked. Okay, this is how we can set the layout. Now we will see how to plot. See, press plot. Here the window is open. Plot layout 3. See, we have done changes on it. Okay, here you can save the file, give the path and save. Okay, see, after taking a print, our drawing will look like this. And how to publish a drawing. Now we will see how to publish a drawing. Type publish, enter. See, publish. For publishing, this window is open. Sheet list. Publish to plotter name in page setup. We have done it as drawing to PDF. AutoCAD PDF. Okay. Selected sheet details. We can see here the sheet details. And here publish option information. Okay. Publish output, number of copies. Here you can edit and click publish. Here you can give the path. Okay. This is how we can set the layout. We can plot the drawing and publish a drawing. Okay, thank you.